So today's topic is all about untold price action. Very important, try to understand when it comes to the price action, the most important factor is if a trader is purely dependent on, sir, I'm seeing this bullish candle here, I'm seeing this type of candle, I'm seeing X type of candle, doji type of candle. If you are just only influenced, ki yahan pe candlesticks pattern is this, here we have some other candlesticks pattern, here we have one more, here something kind of bullish engulfing pattern. This kind of approach if you still have in terms of the price action, then you have still not made any major improvement in your trading. As I mentioned, I'm speaking about untold price action, so things will be more comes towards the reality what is happening, because after market things looks very easy, right? After market, okay, candlesticks pattern formed like this, buy above this, stop loss below this, price move up, book profit. These are all after market storytelling. Okay, what I do is I personally share live market updates on the free Telegram channel consistently, and also traders who are part joining or part of my levels and zones, they are getting directly live everything. So try to understand, this looks very easy. If I'm plotting any indicator also, it looks very easy in aftermarket. But यहाँ पे practically speaking, you need to have awareness of what's the reality which is trying to approach. Just try to understand the psychology of price. That is more important. If I'm not using anything here, just simple candlestick chart. I just want to start with previous day high and low, very simple, as the session is just now started, and just one small what I can say a suggestion I will be telling you, those who are connected live or those who are watching this video, if you are committed, showing more interest to learn, make sure to have a notepad and pen with you and stay throughout the session. And if you are just joining the session just for the time pass, then better stay away from this, because I value my time, I value your time also. Okay, so this is previous day's high, previous day's low is there, fine and deal enough. So now we have to understand first the psychology of the price. Why? Because Yampe try to understand, if I am wasting time in thinking why this candle is being formed like this, why we are getting small candle, why we are getting small candle like this, suddenly why price moving up and then going sideways 30-40 minutes. If I want reason, logic for everything happening in the market, means money can't be made. Try to understand very clearly, there are two things, whether if you want to make money or if you want to understand, identify logic for everything, then it is the main difference between a normal loss making trader and a profitable trader who is following price action. I am following price action, you are also following price action, and lakhs and crores of traders are following price action. Everyone, even in India, if I am sitting just for the example, lakhs and crores of traders every day track 5 minute time frame chart. Every day trader track future chart, spot chart of Bank Nifty and Nifty. With trading with only price action, still traders are losing money, is all because what we see in the chart, what information we gather from the chart, that is more important, which a trader need to understand. Here, what is happening is more important. Price, this is previous day's high, previous day's low. Okay, market closed almost around the middle of the previous day's range, right? So what's happening on the next trading session? Price trying to go down, but try to be very clear. First, price psychology here, this is the price action which is more not discussed. What has happened on the opening, if there was any major change in the price action. For example, if these bulls were really stronger on the closing basis, they could have easily made a gap up opening. If these bulls are not so stronger, they could have easily made a gap down opening. Try to understand, for me, Bank Nifty is opening 300 points up or 300 points down, this is not called as gap up or gap down. MP traders, if you are still looking at the numbers and deciding gap up and gap down means problem. Because generally what gap up and gap down means, from the closing, next day morning market opening 300 points up, 400 points up, 500 points up, gap up sell. 200, 300, 400 points down, gap down. No. The real gap up and gap down is very simple. Price opening outside previous day's range. Then I will be considering it as a gap up or gap down opening. This is the reason I marked here price not opened above previous day's high, price not opened below previous day's low. That means no major change in the price. The bulls who are trying to came here in the last 1 hour, 1.5 hour, they are not ready to extend the price action up. Price almost a small downside opening inside the range. There is major different. For any aggressive action to develop, price has to go outside the previous day's range. For any kind of directional move, most traders are confused. Sir, how to identify directional market, how to identify sideways market? First, you need to have an awareness of what happened on the last trading session. Last trading session, what was the price action? Price was trying to move up, move down, up, down, again sideways, moving up and closed. So what is this kind of price action? Is this a clean lower high, sorry, higher low, higher high, lower low directional price action? No. On the last trading session, price was moving up, down, up, down, up, down and up. So kind of a wavy formation which was going on in terms of the price action. So yesterday's session is not a clear directional day, and today market is opening pretty normal inside the same yesterday's range where the price action was sideways on the previous trading session. I will not call the sideways, just kind of a wavy formation development. That means, what is the information here? Have you ever tried to understand this in this perspective? What information chart is trying to give? No. What traders want, sir? Where can I buy today? Where can I sell today? Where can I buy? Where can I sell? How can I buy exactly here? And can I book profit exactly here? Want to catch top and bottom? Problem. If you are more focused on catching top and bottom means problem. If you are more focused on, try to first understand very clearly what is happened. Because if you are if only lazy traders, what they do now, they want only trade entry, buy call, buy put, sell call, sell put. Okay, so those are lazy traders. Are you lazy trader? Ask yourself. If you are lazy traders means Yampe market cannot reward or will give consistent reward to a lazy trader. Try to be more clear on it. Yampe, there are multiple things. For example, if I want to say, let's say for the next trading session, Monday's trading session, if I want to focus, let's take a recent example that will be more better. Right, this is 8th and the tomorrow 11th is the next trading session. As our session is going on Sunday today, what happened on the session here, previous trading day? This is previous days high, price trying to overlap and then trying to continue move up, overlap, move up, move down, right? So just try to understand this area. This area was more dominated by buyers or sellers. Ask yourself and let me know the answer in the live chat box if you have access to the live chat box. More interactive the session is, better learning or better interest I'll be getting motivated to share more content, because one-sided talking in the session is of no use. मजा नहीं आएगा. It will be like kind of a boring session. I'm just in front of my screen talking and you traders are not ready to respond. Make sure to be interactive. The area which I marked till this, in this area, who is trying to or who have taken more control in the price action, buyers or sellers? You can see the answers. Those who have access to the live chat box, the answer is only purely buyers. Right? Very simple. And this area, whether it is being controlled more by sellers on the closing basis or buyers. Let me know in the chat box quickly. Very basic question. Don't think, sir, this is very basic, sir. I know this question. Why should I answer? Everyone know everything. That is the problem. If a trader is thinking I know everything means problem. Better a trader has to improve every day. Don't no need to have an head weight ki I know everything. That is the day the problem starts. Sellers, right? Very simple. यहाँ पे forget about market opening outside yesterday's range. First, try to understand previous day's high, previous day's low. What is the price psychology here? This area on the higher level, sellers were trying to more take control in the price. On the lower levels, buyers were trying to take more control in the price. Right? Price trying to move up and then a small downside action. So this is how the line chart looks. Very simple. What I have marked here, this is how the line chart will look. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा sideways and then up move and a small downside action. This is what is clearly happening in terms of a line chart. If I want to plot it very quickly and instantly, right? So this is how the market closed for the session, right? यहाँ पे market closed, market opened here. I am not looking at daily candle. Daily candle will be looking something like this. Green color candle. I am not bothered much about it, but यहाँ पे what are all the information and just try to understand, as this is a free session. There is a limitation to share some information. Beyond that, I cannot share. I'll try my best. Okay. In terms of reading the chart for the price action, which is not much discussed because that is the major reality. Daily candle is looking something like this. Okay. So very simple. So यहाँ पे price is simple. Here what happened in this area, the arrow which I make sure to follow this, whatever I'm trying to still make sure to be more interactive. Here whether sellers were weaker or weak buyers were there or weak sellers were there, make sure to quickly answer in the chat box, because every time whenever I'm doing free session video, every time I directly explain यहाँ पे weak buyers are there, weak sellers are there. Few traders are getting confused in understanding because of slight difficulty in understanding the price action. Let's go step by step, one by one, point by point, whether sellers were weaker or buyers were weaker in the area, the zone which I have marked. Make sure to let me know the answer in the chat box. Right, the answer is coming in. Only weak sellers. If you don't have access to live chat box, you can ask yourself and tell the answer. Right, weak sellers. Very simple. So I will take this as buyers were weaker. Okay, buyers were weaker. First, let's understand the price psychology. This is more important in terms of the price action. What is made the buyers to weak here? They were strong for the entire session. What has made to weak? Their interest. Buyers were weaker. They are not interested with volumes in dragging the price towards upside. I'll explain you further in detail, but just understand few things here. So for the next trading session, let's understand if market opens inside yesterday's range. If market opens inside yesterday's range, what are all the things which need to be done? That is more important. Okay. What are all the things which need to be done? That is more important. We need to understand what, where, and how. Simple price action to be checked or to be more given priority. यहाँ पे what we are giving priority, that is more important. Randomly looking price action everywhere, we are wasting the time. No point in randomly looking everywhere wherever we want. This area, or probably till this area, anywhere, if price approaching this level on the next trading session, whether there is a probability the buyers can try to come. So my work for the next trading session is, Yampe, this is very big area. Probably this area is 250 points, right? I have my own set of rules, levels which I personally use marking for my trading, because in this 250 points area, which level is more important? Okay, that I cannot. Just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. So I this is a broad range, because here I will be more discussing in terms of the broad range. What is the area here? यहाँ पे the important focus is 250 points range. Bulls are trying to came in yesterday's session. The next day, if the price is approaching the same area, and bulls are again trying to come, okay, with a clear bullish price action, or not allowing sellers to push the price down, what is the highest chance which is possible whether price can move up back to this area, or it will not move up? Very simple. The bulls are again coming, price action is showing, candlesticks is showing confirmation of bullishness. To till what point bulls can go? Price goes up until they find strong sellers. Price goes down until they find strong buyers. This is real price action. Because without understanding which area to focus for bulls, which area to focus for bearish players, or who is weaker, who is stronger, without knowing this, if you are still following the old method, sir, I found this candlestick pattern, sir, 5 days back this candlestick pattern came, price move up. 15 days back price, I have seen this green bullish candle 15 days back, price went crazily up, now I will be chasing the price. This is the worst way of trading. If you are a price action trader, what happened 15 days back will not happen again. Try to understand. This is reality for intraday trading. Okay, 15 days back you have seen this candle means, try to understand there is major difference. Here at this location, price was sideways, false breakout, trap, and then price went up. This is fine. यहाँ पे false breakout has happened, and lot of action developed. Bulls took control of the price action, and price approach again to the same bullish area with again a sideways, false breakout and rejection, or which has developed. Okay, this is fine. At this area, the candlestick pattern is fine, bullish. Price continue to move up, because from morning move were weaker, sellers were weaker. यहाँ पे market में two players, bullish players, bearish players, that is buyers and sellers. If sellers are weaker, basic common sense, who is left over in the market? Bulls, right? First, if a trader is not able to understand who is weaker and who is stronger, but want to make money, means this is not practically possible, right? This is unfair. If you don't know what is happening in the chart, If you don't know what price action is going on, who is weaker, who is stronger, when the bulls are trying to take control or sellers are trying to take control, if a trader is not having an awareness of this information, which chart is giving us, but we have to grab it. That is what I have mentioned. Lazy traders can or should not expect to make money from the market. यहाँ पे market में there is never or nothing called spoon feeding, easy money, quick scheme, sure shot. Definitely no. I'll just let's make it more precise and more practical. How many traders have lost money in the market in search of quick money making, sure shot trading call tips, etc.? Yes, no in the chat box. Don't trust me, you see the chat box. Traders, if you want to be practically giving the reality answer, make sure to let me know in the chat box. How many traders have lost money in search of quick scheme, easy money, sure shot, quick money making method, quick money making scheme technique? Yes or no? This is the problem, sir. When it comes to reality, you are not ready to accept that you have made a mistake. Traders who are messaging in the chat box are really accepting it, yes or no. That's the main reason of asking question. Is not I don't want the answer because I know it. Traders are losing money because of quick scheme, easy money. But my intention here was to show you the reality. If you are not ready to accept, if you have made a loss, you made a mistake. You have to ready to accept, agree you have made a mistake. Then only your mind will be ready to be flexible in seeing the information from the chart. Because or else what will happen is price moved up aggressively. If you have not taken any trade, if you have not managed to capture any opportunity, 99% chances are there traders will chase the price and take a bullish position. Market went sideways for more than 1 hour. Trap, stop loss got triggered, price reversed back up. And then what will happen is traders will start blaming market. Sir, price was moving up, sir. I have missed this move. And then bullishness, continuous bullish candle was forming here. So I thought I'll take a bullish position and I will capture the rest of the move. Price went sideways 1 hour. यहाँ पे think about the trader. Frustration. Fear. Arey sir, whether price will move up or down. When I buy, price goes sideways. When I'm not watching the market, price is moving fastly up. Stop loss untrade, price reversed back up. Here the problem or the mistake is not the price. Here the problem is you have not pastly, you have not accepted your mistake, and in the present you were chasing the price. Sir, regret, with a regret mindset. Sir, I have missed this morning, price was sideways, I was thinking price will move up and suddenly price shooted up. Sir, I have missed the move. Now no sir, I will not miss any move for the entire day. I want to capture all the move. Price goes sideways and the traders is frustrated with the regret of missing the move and the frustration of price not moving. You yourself are creating pressure because a trader does not have an idea when to focus, where to focus, when to trade and when to wait. That is more important. यहाँ पे price was just forming. Just look at this. This is the candle. In between this, almost 1 hour small candle is trying to form. Price going sideways, right? So यहाँ पे market is sideways, sir. After a move, it's not like market will fastly break the roof and go up, right? Current VIX is trading below 11. VIX is not trading at 45, 65, 85. Jampe move will be crazy quick up, quick down. VIX is trading below 11. If the price moving up, rather than chasing the price, just stay calm enough. Missing a move is not a problem, but with frustration and regret you have taken trade and you are feeling the pressure, feeling the heat, price is not moving, and then it hits your stop loss, more worst case scenario. And then the actual move was up which you are expecting, right? Try to be clearly aware. Price is sideways. Wait, let's see the price what is trying to develop. This is what happened. The problem here is simple chart with no levels, no important levels, when to trade, where to trade, when not to trade. If you are not aware, that is the problem, right? Missed the move, price suddenly spiked up, relax. What's happening? Price is sideways, right? So price is in this tight range. What price action is going on? Price made a breakout, fine enough. Price not even ready to clearly go above the breakout high means basic common sense. How are you expecting price will continue to move up? Yampe price made a breakout, or yeah, breakout in this sideways. Price made a new high, then price continued, fine, fair deal. Here, with the basic common sense or basic price action rule, if price is not ready to clearly cross the breakout candle high, how can we expect price to move up? But no, Yampe problem is missed this up move, price is again sideways. Sir, price is making breakouts. I should not miss the breakout because I have missed this move. If you are trading because of the past, what happened on your past, if you want to trade on the present means, I will be telling you 99.9 percentage chance the loss will continue. Forget about profit. This is reality. Those who accept reality will continue or will recheck what happened in your past. Go back and check. Maximum your loss or the loss which you have made in the trading could have been because you have not followed any proper method or system. It is mainly because Mr. Mooser now again making a breakout without looking the candle close in urgent, without allowing the price to cross the breakout candle high. Even if you are a breakout trader, without doing all this in urgent, but you or any trader still know key price is sideways and it is making a breakout, right? Even if you are following any chart pattern or breakout pattern, the basic rule remains simple. Price, let it go few points above the breakout candle high and then taking a bullish position will activate the breakout trading method. You know it. Yes, how many know this breakout trading? Yes, no in the chat box. Very basic, right? This is everyone aware of this breakout, simple breakout above the candle eye, focusing on breakout. Even if you've seen any, read any book or any article, any content or tweet, you'll be aware of it. Yes, no? Simple breakout, right? Everyone knows this almost. That is the, you know it, but you are not following it. The problem, before even the candle close or before even price crossing the candle eye clearly, the in regret of missing the move or in regret of not capturing the move, traders are urgent. Money urgent, I'm sure. If I miss this, I should never miss this. Try to understand practically whether the rule was active. Forget about any method, system, strategy, or whatever you are following. This is basic price action breakout. Candle closed bullish. Above the candle light has to cross few points, right? One tick, two tick is of no use. Few points it has to cross. Have it crossed? No. Price coming down, right? Coming back to this area. So, if you have taken a breakout trade here, problem. You have not followed any rules. The trade execution was purely because of urgent, past missing the move from morning. This is almost 12:30. From morning 9:15, you are in front of the screen. 10:15, 11:15, 12:15. More than 3 hours you are sitting in front of the screen without taking any trade. Or if you have got trapped in this sideways, booked a loss, what happens if you are in already in loss, you want to recover the loss. If you have not taken a trade, bored, you are very bored, and the trade decisions is purely because you are bored or you have missed this move. Because of that you are taking decisions. Yampe, there is no rule or no method is active for trade entry. Because of bored, morning loss, to recover the loss, miss the move, regret. If you have all this in your mind, how you will really see the actual price action? That is what happening between buyers versus sellers. यहाँ पे very basic chart is telling breakout price not even ready to clearly cross the candle line, slowly coming back down. It's a false breakout. False breakout means what is the basic rule? Price goes below, this is the breakout range. False breakout, price from one extreme it goes to other extreme. False breakout, basic rule, basic target. False breakout from one extreme, it goes below the bottom of the breakout level, other extreme. This is basic price action. This is sideways, price making a breakout. If it's a false breakout, unable to move up, price come back below this area in search of buyers. Because यहाँ buyers came, right? Here buyers came and the last for last 1 hour. I have mentioned one thing. Price goes down in search of strong buyers. Sorry. Yes. Price moves up in search of strong sellers. Same thing I'm explaining. No one will tell you. Try to understand. No one will tell you in a free session. This is the reason I mentioned this session name Untold Price Action. Right? Basic rule. If it is unable to even cross the clearly the breakout candle high, how are you expecting price to move up? Just because price has made a breakout, there is no rule it has to move up. See the price, what is happening now. This is real price action. What is happening now when you are in front of the screen during the market hours? That is more important. 25 days back you have seen breakout successfully going. Today it will happen means problem. Be very clear. That is the reason I have told, once you accept your mistake, you will see all the information which I am trying to tell. That is real price action. Those who are not ready to accept the mistake, then problem. They by this time they would have already left this session or stopped watching this video. Those who accept it make money. Those who are not accepting it continue to lose money. That is the basic ground rule of any way of trading of market. Right? What's happening? Price failed breakout from one extreme to other extreme. This is sideways price action going on. Right? False breakout, price went to other extreme. What happened here? From warning here, who is in control of the price? Whether buyers or sellers. I'm just marking this area, only this area. This question I've already asked, I'm repeating the same question. Who is in control, buyers or sellers? Who is weaker, buyers or sellers? Let me know in the chat box. Who is weaker, buyers or sellers? Who is trying to take more control here, buyers or sellers? Okay, I could not see any message in the chat box, so fine. You are not more interactive here or what? Buyers are in control. Okay, fine. sellers are weaker, buyers are in control, both are same, right? So price approaching this area only, right? False breakout, price come to the other extreme. The false breakout, work is done, price came to the other extreme, the work is done. Now on the left, buyers have taken control in the price action. Now my main focus as a price action trader, are they coming again? If they are coming, what they will do? They will do like this: one more downside false breakout, one more opportunity to go beyond the day's high, the next other extreme of the price. This is what they will do if buyers came in. What if sellers came in? What they will do? If this false breakout, sellers price coming to this extreme, they are really stronger, what they will do? They will either clearly cross bearish candle, continue move down, or they will start trading below this area and then continue move down. This is the two possible scenario the sellers can do, right? If this false breakout sellers want to aggressively drop down the price, they will do that. Very practical scene. Have they done it? Yes, no. No, they have not done it. What they have done? One more false breakout, this time in favor of these bulls. Bulls were taking more control in this area. When price came to this same area with false breakout, the breakout from the sellers ended up as a false breakout. That means the buyers who came here, they are again active in their own zone. What is the current market going on? The current market is more of a reversal market in the low wicks. Market type reversal, low wicks market. Market type is matching. Same scenario happening here. Price sideways trying to move up, down. Okay, morning sideways, small downside attempt, again up, again down, again up. What is this market? This is the scenario of this session. Reversal market. Low wicks market is reversal market. If you want to understand the market type, go back and check my Twitter handle. There are lots and lots of free content available, or you can open daily time frame and check what is the market type, directional or reversal. Low wicks, reversal market. Market type is matching, false breakout, zone is matching. Now tell me, is this a location to focus on the upside? I'm not telling exactly catching the top, no. Anything above these high, okay, because that is the extreme. Actually, what happens is on this session, once this high crossed, price from here it was quickly jumping 80, 100 points very quick, very quickly if you have seen it. This is whatever I've explained so far. This is real price action. Okay, clear enough? Yes, no. Actually, the session was planned to do it for more than 190 minutes. Plan the session was been planned to do for 90 minutes, the free session, but here more than 50 traders are in the session, and only I can see 10, 12 traders are just messaging in the live chat box, being interactive. All others are not interested. Very few are interested in valuing my time in the session. So what I will be doing is, let me know any questions or queries if you have in the chat box. Let me take the questions and we'll wind up the session. Any questions or queries, let me know in the chat box. If no questions, let me know. Just type no in the chat box. You can join the free Telegram channel. Link is available in the live chat box or in the description for getting free levels, live market updates on index. Breakout entry point example. Sir, let me know questions if you have in this so far what I have discussed. Because when there is very less response, when I'm again repeating, you can have any be interact in the session. If you are not interactive, why should I waste my time in explaining much more? Manish is asking, how do we analyze that price is going to reverse from here? So Manish said, you need to have awareness of levels, which is important support, important resistance, important zone. You need to have an awareness. If you don't have awareness, then how could you need to have a clear awareness of support, which is more important, support or resistance level, buyers level, sellers level. Okay, you need to have a clear awareness of it. Then things will be very easy to understand. Yeah, from where the price is trying to reverse, from where the price is trying to continue. Okay. Um, on option sellers, one should sell ATM or OTM during all expiry day week. Sir, Roman Patel, sir, selling ATM or OTM, again it depends on your risk management and what type you are trying to focus. Whether you are focusing on directional trading and what is your risk taking capacity. Can you stay calm with selling ATM? If you are more have fear or trying to get more pressure, then you can focus on OTM. One question I'm getting here is, what is your teaching is inside? How do you analyze in future perspective? Pavan sir, I've already told you again. Live market updates you can get it on free Telegram channel. Again, I've mentioned free live session, live interaction or free is just a limitation. There. I'll trying my best to give it. Okay. If you want to do it more, understand in the future perspective, live market, you have to upgrade, you have to improve or invest your time, money, and effort on learning. Yes, psychology is more important. Without psychology, lot of time when we see through option chain that this is major resistance, still pricing price crossing the move. So try to understand option chain. I'm not a big fan of using option chain because let me be very honest here. I'm not a big fan of using option chain because traders are seeing the open interest. Sir, here we have 30 lakh open interest. Here we have 28 lakh open interest, right? So traders think, sir, this is support, this is resistance. No, this is not this the way it will not work. This way it will not work. Everyone using this approach, so this will not work. If you are looking open interest in this perspective, then it is a problem in identifying your support or resistance. Okay. How to find markets are sideways or trending? Sir, try to understand. Just go back and see my Twitter handle. There are lot of contents are available for about the topic. Please explain entry and exit point rule. Sir, entry exit point rule, there are again what system or method you are following is more important. If you want a plain chart in front of you, this is for example, यहाँ price is sideways here, quickly rejecting. So this remains very simple. Above this false breakout and SL below this low. Okay, and focusing on above these high. Beyond this is my target in terms of the false breakout. Straightforward deal in terms of price action. With confirmation, area is from the buyers, sellers are weaker here. Breakout area, bulls are again trying to come. and sellers are failing to make a false breakout. There are a lot of confirmations here. Okay, based on this, multiple confirmation and entry and exit is very simple and straightforward here. For G20, we can expect move up, sir. News driven move, we have no one have any idea. But let the market open and let's see what is the effect of the news driven price action. Any guide on zero to hero trade? Sir, I don't do hero zero trade, sir. And I believe the simple thing, those who are doing hero zero trade, sooner or later in market they cannot become hero, they can become zero. That is the possible. One question, do we change view if market goes against active position? Yes, nothing wrong in it. If it's one more, there is no rule. For example, even this is a false breakout, above this high taken any positions. If price not reversing back, try to understand failure or false attempt, the move is faster, reversal is faster. It will not spend next 1 hour sideways after a false breakout on upside or downside. Okay, यहाँ पे what happened, 5, 10, 15 minutes and then shoot up. False breakout means move is faster because no one is ready or no one is ready to accept failure, false, in terms of market and life, right? So reactions are more faster in that case. In this case, the reaction has to be faster. If it is not faster, price spending 20, 30 minutes trying to slowly come down means this false breakout is not successful. Here I will be not doing time pass waiting till the my stop loss get triggered. If I see any clue from the chart, I am happy to exit with a small loss and wait for the next opportunity. Accepting this false breakout is not successful. Selecting strike price for option sellers are very simple. This is out of this current topic, but still I will be discussing here. Very simple, sir. Option sellers, what type you are trying to follow depend. If you are a directional seller, okay, one strike price inside ATM. This is ATM is 45,200, right? If I'm expecting price to move down, that means I want to. If a directional option seller, okay, if I'm expecting price to move down, I want to sell call option. Very simple. ATM once strike price here 45,300 call option. I'll be more happy to choose if I'm directionally option selling it. Only one way directional. If I want to expecting price to move up from ATM one strike price here, I'll be focusing on this put option. This is basic rule I follow. If you have fear in option selling, then focusing on OTM options might be better. Again, depend on your mindset. How to identify low option premium scenario to avoid option selling and focus on other area? Sir, very simple. Low premium means basic calculations can be done. Again, low premium, you have to track past data. It's not like just blindly telling 100 points is low premium, 150 points is low premium. You need, if you are regularly doing option selling, already you should be clear aware key with the same 11 weeks few months back what was the premium and what is now. You have to compare with the past data. Stop loss based on candle or some points, which one is good? Stop loss based on candle only. I'm not trading key, sir. Okay, I'm focusing on this breakout above this. I'll keep 20 points stop loss. No, below this candle, candle to candle is my stop loss. No random fixed point. Consider ideal breakout and breakdown. Sir, try to understand anything simple. 5 minute, 15-minute time frame for intraday, 30-minute and hourly time frame for positional, hourly or daily time frame for swing, hourly, daily, weekly time frame for swing trading. This is the time frame. Based on the time frame, the breakout and breakdown works. Okay, according to your comfort level, this is the basic time frame rule which goes on. Very simple and straightforward. Okay. Okay, fine. Not much interest given by the traders here. Very limited traders are interested. So better. What I will do is I will wind up this session here. Traders, you can any questions or queries later. You can message me on the WhatsApp. Link is in the live chat box. Okay, any questions or queries if you have, and if you want to upgrade yourself in towards your trading, you can approach me on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much, traders, for joining the session. I believe the session was useful to you. You would have learned something new. Amit sir is telling, can we discuss on detail possible after market opening on Monday? Sir, anything that I'll be messaging on the live chat Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, you can join. If I feel anything good on Monday market, I'll be updating, which I'll be doing it regularly on a free platform on Telegram channel. You can join the free Telegram channel. Any questions or queries in improving your trading, you can message me on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for joining the session, on giving your time. I'll end this session right now. Thank you. Intraday time frame 5 minute, 15 minute. I personally use 5 minute. Okay, thank you. You can share your valuable feedbacks on Twitter by tagging me if you find this session useful at Learn to Trade 365. I use 5 minutes, sir. Intraday I use 5 minute time frame only. Okay, thank you.